Hi, my cheerful little buddies. Today I'm drawing Bluey crawling on the wall like a funny little explorer. It's going to be full of giggles, fun, and lots of imagination. Before we start, tap the like button so Bluey can climb even higher. The morning sun shines through the window. Bluey stretches and smiles. She looks at the tall wall near her bed. Her eyes sparkle with ideas. She says, I think I can crawl up there like a little gecko. Give this video a like if you've ever imagined doing something silly like Bluey. Bingo walks in with her bunny toy, looking curious. What are you doing, Bluey? She asks with a laugh. Bluey grins proudly. I'm Bluey the wall climber. Watch me go. Tap like if you think Bluey's wall climbing sounds super funny. Bluey places her paws on the wall and starts moving slowly. Up, up, and up, she chants with every move she makes. Bingo claps her paws and cheers. You're doing it, Bluey. Press like if you love cheering for someone brave. Mom peeks into the room holding a basket of laundry. Bluey, are you trying to become a wall lizard? She asks kindly. Bluey laughs. I'm a wall puppy, Mom. The best one ever. Give the video a like if you love using your imagination too. Dad walks in with a big smile and says, Crikey, what's that on the wall? He squints his eyes and adds, Oh no, it's a Bluey bug. Bluey giggles and says, Not a bug, Dad. I'm a wall explorer. Tap like if you think Dad's funny jokes always make you laugh. Bingo joins in and starts crawling beside her sister. Let's see who can climb higher, Bluey, she says excitedly. Bluey nods and says, You're on, Bingo. Let's race. Press like if you love friendly games with your family. Dad suddenly growls like a monster and says, Watch out, wall climbers. Bluey gasps and shouts, It's the tickle monster. They both fall to the floor laughing while Dad tickles their paws. Give this video a like if you love laughing with your dad too. Mom shakes her head while smiling. You three are the funniest bugs ever. Bluey giggles. That's because wall climbers never quit. Bingo adds proudly, and we're the best wall heroes ever. Tap like if you think being brave is the best feeling ever. After all the laughter, Mom brings cookies and milk. Time to rest, my little climbers, she says warmly. Bluey munches and smiles. Thanks, Mom. That was so much fun. Press like if you'd love a yummy treat after a fun adventure. As the sun begins to set, Bluey cuddles beside Bingo. She whispers, Maybe tomorrow we'll climb the rainbow. Mom smiles softly. That sounds like a magical plan, my Bluey. Before you go, tap the like button if you want to join Bluey's next big climb.